Hello friends, my name is Nagendra and once again I am back, and today I will show you the example of the AWS LEX chatbot. And the main thing, I will use all the key concept of the AWS LEX for creating a chatbot. Okay, so the main things, our example will be look like this. So you can show me, it's like a AWS chatbot, you can see. And like suppose I write down the hi. Okay, so you can easily show that our chatbot is automatically given some response behalf of the intent and slot. So it is giving like, hello, I am Impressico, I can help you to find a job, please select a job type. Okay, and you can see we have two types of job, IT and non-IT. And it's basically using the AWS is a card view response. Okay, so the main thing is, right now I will only just show you the example which will we cover in our playlist to using all the key concept of the AWS LEX. So like suppose I just select the IT. Okay, so then the AWS LEX is given response like we have total 23 offerings. Okay, and it is not a static data, it's a, like a dynamic data which is coming from the our RDBS database. Okay, so in the later video we will show you all the things like using the RDS, using the lambda and the connectivity of all of them. I will show you with the proper a practical lab. Okay, and like suppose sorry, I just select the like 16. Okay, so then the Lex is asking to the user how many years of experience do you have in our field. Okay, and like suppose users are given like something like okay, so Lex, so chatbot is a generic and very intelligent. So he's again asking because we are providing a incorrupt data, yeah, we are providing a garbage value, so that's why he's asking again. And like suppose now I like something type the like 2 and enter. Oh, that's a perfect, it's working. So now it's like checking a validation parts, so which will we cover in our upcoming video, so don't worry about it. Okay, so right now my purpose is only show the example which we will cover in our playlist, so it's a high level example. Okay, so that's all, that's also provide some validation like experience should be more than 2. Okay, but right now suppose I just like something like 4, it's a alphanumeric number. Okay, so the thing is again the chatbot or Lex is a very intelligent, so it's always convert this value into a number. Like suppose I just enter 4. Okay, so now you can see it's taken, and now it's like asking some URL. So like suppose I just given like something gmeet.com. Okay, and now again you can see the chatbot is giving some response via some ID, applicant ID. Okay, so it's it's a generic number, and you can see it's like a ID which will user use into further process like its interview is scheduled or not, his profile is match or not. So there are the lots of the things which will user easily can see using this applicant ID. So that's the whole example which we cover in our upcoming video using all the key concept of the AWS LEX for creating a chatbot. So thank you guys, bye.